To change the notification sound in Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down until we find sound and vibrations, and from here we'll have two different ways to change our notification sound. First one is to scroll down, and here you can find notification tone. Click on it and then choose whichever sound you like from the list, or pick your own music file on your phone by clicking on music on this device. Hit apply on the sound that you like, and then it should be applied to your notification tone. And the other way to do it is to go all the way up in the sound and vibration settings and click on the banner on the top right here. That way you'll be able to pick between 6 different themes, and this will apply a custom sound that you can listen by clicking on the play button to a few different notification sounds like ringtone, messages, alarm and notifications. Just hit apply and then you'll hear a different sound for each of those options. And let's go for both of the SIM cards. And we're done. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.